2 new sets of tires, and those are for this thing. Okay, this is precarious. Got, I don't know, what is it, 650 pound bike on the center stand, but that weld is broken, and on the back part of the arm is balanced, so it's only on that peg and that back corner. All while balancing, I don't know, 80 pounds of stuff. I've got coolant and water jugs in the saddlebags, 2 cases of water. I don't know, what is this? Someone can look it up. T2 Pro, 40 pounds maybe. And don't hit the bike. So, change the front tire, see how it goes. I see this operation going very smoothly. So there's my workspace. Clearly the front wheel's gone. As I already showed you that. Front tile is now here. New one's on it. Gotta center that thing up, but I've got my balancer. And I've only got one weight. I got the wheel weight that's on there now. We'll see how it does. You might see I'm a little shaky. It's now 4 o'clock and just been drinking water, so I'm a little low on energy, but beautiful day. So, wonderful day. Look at that. This is the back of the Honda with the wheel weights. Back of the Triumph, you've got these little weights there, they're stick on. So what I'm doing for the front's also the clip style, there's the old one. And I'm just using coins to get the right weight, and I think it's under the weight of this thing, so I'm just going to trim some down and call it a day. The original weight was actually spot on, just had to relocate it. So there it is. Very nice, well balanced and round. Okay. Whew. It's been a long day.